Welcome back, I'm Kani Samuel. Today we are unboxing the Hisense 55 ACN TV. But before we dive in, have you ever wondered why companies redesign their packaging? Well, Hisense have a secret to share. They have renewed their packaging to combat counterfeit products. They are fighting fake TV with a fresh new look. Let's take a closer look. The new carton is sleek, compact, and no much different with the older type. So why they change? Hisense want to ensure that you are getting the real deal. No more fake TVs, no more compromised quality. This new design helps prevent imitation and protect your investment. Let's dive into the box and see what Hisense has in store for us. Now let's carefully remove the TV from the box. Wow, it is massive, stunning design. Setting up your new Hisense 55 ACN TV is a breeze. Simply attach the legs. And check out the redesigned remote, slim, intuitive, and perfect for navigating smart TV. Turn it and power it on. Set up your language and region, then to your Wi-Fi. Boom, and you are ready to stream. The new Hisense 55 ACN TV is more than just a fresh coat of paint. It is a commitment to quality, authenticity, and innovation. What do you think? Love the new look? Thanks for watching. We want to experience the authentic Hisense 55 ACN TV? Join the conversation, comment below with your thoughts on the new design, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more review and unboxing. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech upgrade.